So in this video, we learned how to use our graphics calculator, the Casio 9860GB, to find a confidence interval for a mean. So we look at an example. Here it is, a sample of 50 nails was taken from a packet of 500. So our sample size is 50, n equals 50. Now, we measured the length of the nails and worked out the mean. It was 54.5 millimeters. And there was spread, the standard deviation was 12.2. Now, in the calculation to find the confidence intervals, we really need to know the population standard deviation, but we don't have it here. So what we do is we assume that the population standard deviation is about equal to the sample standard deviation. So sigma, we're going to say, is about 12.2. So we need to find the 95% confidence interval for the null. So we're going to use our graphics calculator, and we can use this sequence of steps. So let's bring up the calculator. We need to go into statistics mode. It's an interval, so we click on this one. We're using Z values, 1S, and now we need to set the values here. The confidence interval, if this wasn't 0.95 representing the 95%, we'd have to change it to it, but that's all fixed. The standard deviation we're taking is 12.2. And the mean of the sample was 54.5. We enter it, we get XE and XE again, except that we need to change N, the sample size, to 50. There it is, 50, hit enter, XE, and we find that the confidence interval is stated as here. We're 95% sure that the mean length of nails for the population of nails will be between 51.2, rounded off to 3 significant figures, and 57.9 to 3 significant figures. 95% confidence interval for the mean of the length of nails is 51.1 to 57.9.